Alright, in today's video we are going to install the ACERBIS chain guard, chain guide protection for the Himalayan. The original is rubbish, so this one is going to get on. And here you can see why the original one is rubbish. It only protects against possible roots and rocks from the outside. Let me show you what's in here. This one is very different from what's installed already. Here you can see this chain slider. Don't know how it works yet, but this one protects on both sides. And the chain is going in. I think I can slide it over, push it back, and install this one later. Well, that's a big difference. Let's see how this works. Start with removing the old one. That was the easy part. Compare these two. That's a lot of difference. Alright, what you need to do is this bracket goes in like this, a little bit of force. Use a washer. This little thing needs to go in here and one of the provided screws and force it in place. Then you have this. This is probably going to slide some over, something like so. Insert these spacers on the other side as well. So we have spacers here, long bolt, the bus, and spacer, long bolt. Slide it over and then, I don't know, not on this side. Remove these two. So you have to remove these. On the other side. And now it sits. Nice. Then we have the slider that goes underneath. Then you have these 4 torque. This goes in like this. Tight, but not too tight. And now your chain cannot slide off anymore. No hits, no rocks are going to get in, no roots, no trees, nothing. So you are very safe to ride off-road, crash, I don't know what you want. But this is very nice. I'm going to put some Loctite in these two and then we are done. Original versus heavy duty. Good stuff. Alright, that was the installation of the ACERBIS chain guard, chain slider protection, or how you want to call it. It's better protected now. We can go off-road, we can hit rocks, everything. The chain and the sprockets are safe. See you in the next video.